You're going to go to elbow buddies, which means, again, you're going to share just like before. You're going to drop on the carpet. In this case, you're going to share your personal story. So it might go something, you remember, you can go, the story can begin with here, the character, the setting, time, the place, the action. It can happen with any of those, but you're going to start off anywhere in that section. So I might start mine very strong, because what creates a really, really strong personal narrative is a lot of times if you pull the reader in with dialogue. So I might say, my stomach was doing flip-flops. I told my best friend Frankie. She said the same thing, mine too. And we moaned. It was a cloudy day. We were on the soccer field. Our team was in the final championship, and we were very tense. My name is Jenna, and I'm going to tell you my story. And then I will go down to proceed that I was sure our team would win the medal. We got together and did a team cheer. We kicked and passed and ran up and down the field. Suddenly, my team scored. The other team got the ball, and they scored. Oh no, the score was 1-1. Out of nowhere, a girl came down the field and plowed Frankie over. Frankie was laying on the ground, and she was crying. Frankie never cries. So I knew that that was a very bad thing. I ran over to Frankie and realized that a bone was sticking out of her leg. Oh my gosh, it was a terrible day. I looked at the side. The coach came out and called the ambulance. And I was so sad because Frankie was going to the hospital. After just a little bit of time, they finally came. It seemed like forever, but they finally came and got Frankie, and they told me that the game had to go on. And the coach said, there's 30 seconds left. You take the kick, Jenna. So I had to go up to take the PK. I aimed for the goal, and my eyes were blurry. I was feeling very nervous, but I focused very, very hard. I raised my leg and kicked right into the corner of the net. It was absolutely a success. Wham, the ball went in, and we made a score. Boy, that was a great day for us, a trophy, a focus, and we did it all for Frankie. That was great to remember that whatever we're doing, give it our best shot, even if it's not what we're used to.